Hello students, today we are going to solve problem set number 3 and an angle bisector. So let's start. Draw a line and give a name to the line, like draw a line with the help of protractor. Draw this line, name a point at the one end like A and put the center of the protractor exactly on point A. Keep it like this. Then point it at 60 degree and join to point A. Now naming this angle like C, A and B. CAB. Now we have to bisect with this angle with the help of compass. Now this is the compass. Put the tip of the compass at point A and draw an arc like this. Now here this arc intersect the arms of the angle like CA and AB. Now give the name to the at the intersection point that P and Q. Now again take a compass, put the tip of the compass at point Q, draw an arc, another point P, put the compass on point P, draw another arc, and we get a intersection point because two arcs are intersecting with each other, naming that point as a point O. Now join point O with point A, and then finally we intersect the angle. Here we intersect angle CAB and we got two angles like CAO and OAB. Now angle CAB is a 60 degree, and after intersecting bisecting this angle we get two angles with same measurement, with equal measurement. Now these two angles have a equal measurement of 30 degree. This is a 30 degree angle. Another one is 30 degree. That means angle OAB is 30 degree and CAO is 30 degree. That means we bisect this angle into two equal angles. Let us move and start to solve problem set number 3. First angle is given as 50 degree. Now let us start to solve it. Draw a line, naming at the one end as point B. Then keep a protractor so that the center of the protractor exactly lies on the point B. Then measure from 10 to 50. Mark it and join it with point B. Then take a compass, first naming the angle like A, B and C. Now take a compass and put a nib of a compass at point B. Then draw an arc like this. Now once again, first we have to naming this point of intersection as point P and Q. These 2 points intersect with the arm like AB and BC. Now put the compass at point Q and draw arc. Then put the compass at point P and draw another arc. These two arcs intersecting with each other at point O, and then join point O with point B. Then join these 2 points. Now here I got two angles ABO and OBC. Angle ABC having measurement 50 degree, and let us measure these two angles. Angle OBC is having measurement 25 degree. After 20 there will be 5 lines, that means 25 degree. That means we bisect the angle of 50 degree into two equal angles has a measurement 25 degree. Now Let us problem set number 2. Problem number 2. We have to bisect the angle having measurement 115 degree. Now let us draw a line naming at the one end as like point Q. Then we have to intersect this angle having measurement 115. Okay. Now in this protractor there is a measurement of angles like 10 to 70, 80, 90. This is 100 and then 110, and then after 110 count 5 lines. Now put a protractor such that center of the protractor exactly lies on point Q, and then start measuring. And now start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. This is 90. Then after 100, and then there 110, and then after 110 count 5 lines up to 5. This is number of fifth number lines, and then mark there, and this marking join with point Q. Now we got here the angle of measurement 115 degree. Okay. Now draw an arrowhead naming the angles like P, Q and R. Now take a compass to bisect this angle. Take a compass and put the tip of the compass at point Q, and take a convenient measurement and draw an arc. Draw an arc. Draw an visible arc, clearly visible arc like this. Now naming the point of intersection C and D which intersect the arc of the angle. Now once again take a compass, put it at point D, draw arc. Now once again put the compass at point C and draw another arc which intersects first arc. Now we got a one intersection point as naming as Q, and join this point O with Q. After joining Q with point O, we bisect the angle PQR into two equal angles like PQO is one angle and OQR is another angle. These two angles having same measurement. That means we bisect angle of measurement 115 degree into two equal measure angle. Now let's going to solve problem set question number 3 of same problem set. Question number 3 is having a measurement of 80 degree. Now let us draw a line and marking point Y at one end. Now put a protractor such that center of the protractor lies exactly on point Y, and measure from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 80. Okay, now mark at 80 and then join to point Y, draw arrowhead and naming the angle. Also show the measurement 80 degree. Now naming the angles, take a protractor, draw a arc. Draw a arc and give the name at the point of intersection PQ. Also name the angle as X, Y and Z. Now put a protractor at point Q, draw another arc. Again at point P and draw another arc which intersects the first arc. Now joining point Y with the point where the at the point where the intersection point of arc is O. Now measure this angle. We bisect this angle into 40 degree centigrade. That means 80 degree angle is divided into two same angles, that is 40 degree centigrade angle. That means we bisect angle of 80 degree into 40 equal measurement. Next problem number 4, and problem measurement of angle is measurement of angle is 90 degree. Now let us solve it. Draw a line, naming at one end, indicate that one end as point M. Now put a protractor and mark at 90 degree and join this marking with point M. Now naming angle as LMN. This is exactly 90 degree. Then take a compass, put it on point M and draw an arc, and naming the point of intersection, because arc intersect the arms of the angle LM and MN. Now again draw an arc from point D and again put a tip of protractor at point C. Draw another arc which intersect the first arc. Now we got here intersecting point, naming that point as point E. Now draw a line which passes through point E and joins to point M, which is the vertex of angle 90 degree measurement. Now we intersect this 90 degree angle into two equal measurement of 45. That means we bisect this angle into two equal measurement, 45 degree and another one 45 degree.